We're here with 1500 meter silver medalist from Ethiopia, Sidmu Girma. Congratulations on your podium finish. Are you happy with that?
ስንዱ ግርማ በ1500 ሜትር ባገኘሽው ውጤት እንኳን ደስ ያለሽ። ደስተኛ ነሽ ወይ ነው የምትልሽ?
አዎ በጣም ደስተኛ ነኝ።
She said she's very happy.
Did she expect gold and a silver for Ethiopia?
በዚህ ውድድር ላይ ወርቅና ብር ጠብቀሽ ነበር ወይ ለኢትዮጵያ?
አዎ ጠብቄ ነበር።
She said she was expecting.
Even though competition is so tough from Kenya?
ከኬንያ ያለው ተፎካካሪነት በጣም ከባድ ነው እና እንደዛም ሆኖ ጠብቀሽ ነበር ወይ?
ጠብቄ ነበር ግን ኬንያዎች በጣም ይከብዱ ነበር መሰለኝ። ከገባው በኋላ አሪፍ ነው አገኘሁት።
She said she was expecting a very tough competition from the Kenyans, but once she started the race, she knew they will win the game.